Hello learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of medium test on appropriate filler concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, fill in the blank with the most appropriate word. In this question, the sentence reads, people who have been through difficult, painful and not very dash change, efforts often end up dash, both pessimistic and angry conclusions. Now, when we read the word conclusions, I will introduce you to the concept of collocations. Now, what are collocations? Collocations ऐसे words होते हैं या phrases होते हैं या group of words होते हैं which are always used together. For example, do the dishes or make the bed. Okay, so when we talk about conclusions, conclusions are always drawn. And when we explore the options, we get an idea or we get a clear hint that it is only visible in option A. So let us now explore option A, whether it is correct or not. People who have been through difficult, painful, and not very successful change efforts often end up drawing both pessimistic and angry conclusions. So the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, it is the height of dash of man who fully appreciate in their own case the great advantages of a good education, but dash these advantages to women. So when we read the sentence, we get an idea कि यहाँ पर man के लिए एक negative word use होएगा, right? And यहाँ पर जो word आएगा which is somewhat opposite in meaning to appreciate, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम appreciate कर रहे हैं in case of man, but we do not really appreciate it or accept it when it comes to women. So let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is proliferation. Now proliferation refers to conception, so we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is arrogance. Now arrogance refers to anger, which is also a negative word. But let me check the word abstain. Now abstain refers to refrain. So we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option C, which is prosperity. Now prosperity refers to popularity or to do well, right? To prosper. So we can, again, this is not a negative word, it is a positive word, hence we can eliminate option C. Coming to option D, which is selfishness. So yes, this fits well into the plan. And when we look at the second word, which is deny, which is somewhat opposite in meaning to the given word appreciate, because appreciate का मतलब क्या होता है, कुछ कहीं ना कहीं वो acceptable है, it was praiseworthy, right? So, it is the height of selfishness of man who fully appreciate in their own case the great advantages of good education but deny these advantages to women. So, the correct answer is option D. In this question, the sentence reads, the human mind is never dash in advances or it dash. So let us explore the options. Coming to option B, which is happy. So the human mind is never happy. We can clearly eliminate option B without really exploring the second word. Coming to option C, which is perfect. Now the human mind is never perfect, so we can clearly eliminate option C as well. And when it comes to option D, which is dynamic, now the word dynamic refers to something which is active. So the human mind is never active. We can clearly eliminate option D as well. Now when we come to option A, which is stationary, stationary means static, that it is never ceasing. कि वो हमेशा चलता रहता है. It is not, does not really stop after a certain point. Now what is the meaning of the word retrogrades? Retrogrades refers to reverting or retreat his thoughts. So the meaning of the word retrogrades is reverting. So we know that the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, using dash designs to dash the importance of others is not a healthy act. Since here it is written is not a healthy act, we get an idea that the word used in blank one has to be a negative word. Let us now explore the options. Coming to option B, which is architectural. It is not a negative word and hence we can eliminate it. Coming to option C, which is fictitious. Now fictitious refers to something which is not true. So we can eliminate option C as well. And coming to option D, which is brittle. Now brittle refers to fragile. something which is very weak and can easily be broken. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is nefarious. Now, nefarious refers to sinful, which is definitely a negative word. And undermine. Undermine refers to weaken. So let us try and test it whether it fits well into the blanks or not. Using nefarious designs to undermine the importance of others is not a healthy act. So yes, we can say that the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, if you are dash, you tend to respond to stressful situations in calm, secure, steady, and dash way. So when we read the sentence, we get an idea that the blank should have a word which should be synonym in meaning, or which should be similar in meaning to the given words like calm, secure, and steady. So let us check the options. Coming to option B, which is obdurate. Now, obdurate refers to stubborn, being adamant. So we can clearly eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is propitious. Now, propitious refers to friendly. However, it's a positive word, but it is not similar in meaning to the words like calm, secure, and steady. So we can eliminate option C. Coming to option D, which is delectable. Now, delectable refers to something which is very delicious or tasty. So we can clearly eliminate option D. Coming to option A, which is resilient. Now, resilient refers to being strong. So yes, it corresponds to the given words like calm, secure, and steady. And when we look at the second word, which is rational, now the word rational refers to be reasonable, right? So let us check. If you are resilient, you tend to respond to stressful situations in calm, secure, steady, and rational way. So the correct answer is option A. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.